Just a little footage of the Marriott. I cannot say that we're staying here, but I wish I could. A little bit of the view and the scenery. Families taking pictures. Grounds well kept. It's beautiful. My mom.
Smiling about it. Broke up half.
Let's get a long ways. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. You like?
I like, thank you.
Zoom in a little bit. Beautiful. Right up.